Hey everyone, this is my Zen garden render and I'm skipping the full tutorial today. I just want to walk you through the key parts that make it shine so you can make yours even better. First, let's talk about angle. It sounds simple and is often overlooked, but it's actually very important. So to make framing easier, we can use the composition guide, and I use the most famous one, the rule of thirds. So quick explanations. Basically you want these 4 intersection lines to have the focal point. One is enough, and horizontal line also can be used to divide your shot. For angle we go for straight shot and corner shot. The straight shot looks good in my opinion, but it feels less natural than corner shot. The foreground also not really strong, so it kind of feels flat in my opinion. While on the corner shot, it feels more organic and we can play with layer. These plants on the front work as foreground, then the garden below as midground, and decking with windows as our background. But not every corner shot is good. This one is my least favorite shot. It feels boring because the foreground is weak and the background is not really that interesting. It's just a plain wall that mostly helps with the planting underneath it. Next up, lighting. Super basic and I only use HDRI. To make things easier, I download the free add-on that control and organize the HDRI. It's called Easy HDRI and I will put the link on the description. Super useful and save a lot of time. Other thing I want to talk more is the roof. As you can see, the roof looks very detailed. And in fact, it's not modeled by mesh. It's a work of displacement. And as we already know, displacement is expensive. It looks realistic, but it comes with price, which is the dense geometry to generate the detail. We can increase the poly by adding subdiv modifier and change it to simple to prevent deform on our model. This already worked well, but we are going for a step ahead by using adaptive subdivision. As far as I know, this method uses the distance of our camera. Like the closest camera to object, the more it will subdiv the object and vice versa. Then, when we already changed the subdiv method into adaptive, the new section will appear. Keep in mind that dicing scale number right now is for the final render. Check out the small text under it. As we can see, the viewport is having higher numbers, which means your final render will have finer displacement than what you see in viewport. To see if it works, I will put this camera here and go for the viewport render. The roof in front of us looks wonderful, while when we go to the other side, displacement looks blocky, which means the adaptive subdivision is truly working. But the funny thing is, the part of the roof that's visible in the camera, which is the far side, has less detail than the part that's not visible, which is directly above the camera. Because again, the adaptive subdivision uses distance. It still worked in my final render because I put small number in the dicing scale. Basically, that's all the important things I want to show. Oh, and we got this Japanese lantern and I already made a video about how to make it. I will put the link on my description. Let me know what you think about this new format video. I feel I can stress more on the interesting part and be more efficient rather than showing everything from start to finish. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more content in the future. Thank you.